So I had a request for a makeup look for girls with hooded eyes that is only mascara and lipstick. And I'm assuming that means no eyeshadow, because I'm going to use a couple of more things than just mascara and lipstick. She wanted a bright lip. So let's begin. Even if I'm not going to wear eyeshadow, I still would put foundation on my lids. So I'm going to take the Sephora 3D HD brush with the new Clinique, even better clinical, and I'm finding that this foundation goes best, it wears best on naked skin. That's been my experience so far. So I'm going to put it on my lids. So I'm liking this foundation. It wears nicely. I don't find any untoward behavior as the day progresses. That first time when I layered it over the multi-action firming sculpting cream from City Beauty, it acted a little funny. And I have not worn it over a primer yet. So far I've just been wearing it on naked skin, and it's been doing great. All right, foundation on. Then I would take your powder, and today I'm going to use the Fenty Pro Filter Powder Foundation as my setting powder. The color that I have is 220. It's like that. And I'm using a little Hakuhodo brush to buff that on. So my theory is that if you're going to go with a simple makeup like that, and that's all you're going to give people to look at, what you do apply needs to be absolutely perfect, right? She didn't say no eyebrows. She didn't say eyebrows. I'm assuming the hooded eye thing was just about eyeshadow. I'm hoping that's the case. So I'm going to take the Schwarzkopf hair gel, glued styling spiking glue. And I'm going to put that in my eyebrows. I have a new brow pencil to show you. And thus far I'm not disappointed in it. I have a conference call in an hour with a bride, so I need to, it's not going to take me an hour to put that amount of makeup on, though, I wouldn't think. Okay, this is the Note brow pencil in the color Keep It Cool. I don't think so. 2, maybe. I'll put it right here. Draw a few brows in the front, like I always do. All right. I'm going to take my powder brush and put powder in my eyelashes. It's an old 80s trick. Actually, early 90s is when I started doing that. I'm going to take my eyelash curler. So I'm going to make the most of what I am going to do, right? put some Lancome Seals Booster on lightly. I've been piling it on, and I'm wondering if that's been my issue. Because I'm talking when I'm doing these videos, I usually don't know what I've done. I'm on autopilot. Okay. So I'm going to move on to another step, and I'll come back to that. I'm going to put Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. On like that. I'm going to take my E.L.F. Flawless Concealer brush. Might put a little bit down on my brow. Just like that. I had a lot extruded out of that container. I was demoing this product to a client yesterday, and I got a lot of it extruded. Okay, so I'll just highlight my brows a little bit with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Conceal around my mouth a little bit. Okay. Feather that down some. Okay. Mascara. I'm going to take the I Heart Extreme. Run it back and forth and pull it through. I'm thinking if you have hooded lids, you probably don't want to curl your eyelashes, because then that'll make your lashes dot your lids, right? So maybe leave that step out. I don't know. It's up to you. I don't know if your eyelids touch your lashes or not. If they do, you probably shouldn't curl your lashes. I like to get those bottom lashes. Alright, now because you are wanting to add pizzazz to your lash line, I would take a waterproof pencil and get that tight line good. I'm using black. And I don't find black being too harsh for the tight line. There we go. That lash line's nice and bold. Then, since you are not putting eyeshadow on, for some interest, you could add a little stick shadow underneath. This is the Chameleon something or other from Charlotte Tilbury in Amethyst. Maybe Amethyst. I don't know what it's called. It is called Color Chameleon Amethyst Aphrodisiac. Okay. That adds a little interest. I'm going to powder under my eyes. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And the reason I don't use the powder foundation is it's probably, I like this because it's silkier, weightless, and doesn't look cakey under your eyes. Okay. Then bronzer, I'm going to use the Buxom again. First of all, I'm going to contour my nose. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to contour my face. Contour. I'm going to contour. It's contour and bronze. I carry it up to my earlobe. So there's my cons. I am going to change blushes. I've been using the Lawless Soft Nectar the past few times. Today I'm going to use Pink Sky by BareMinerals. It's a bounce and blur blush. Like that. You could hit right there a little bit. All right, and for my lipstick, I'm going to use Louboutin Pluminette. Okay, I'm going to go back and arrange my lashes a little bit. So there is your makeup look for girls with a hooded lid using mascara and a Brite lip. I hope you enjoyed this makeup video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Leave me a comment and let me know if this is something you would wear. And also in the comments, let me know what kind of look you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with a friend, comment, and give a thumbs up. Also, you should activate the notification bell so you know when I'm going to post a video, because I can be random sometimes. Don't forget to bleach your teeth today so you'll have a bright smile. And also check out the link for the City Lips so that you can have plump lips. Y'all have a great day, and I'll catch you on the flip side.